Yorakoto. So today we are going to learn the form 3 in the 9 form Tai Chi, which is grab the first tire. So we start with, I'm going to mirroring you. So we start with the left hands on top. That's our finishing pose. I hold the ball. And then now right leg, half step towards your right. And then with the heels planted on the ground. And then at the same time, now I'm going to shift your weight from your left leg, the supporting leg, to the right. And then the hands, right hands goes up and left hand goes down. So that's that one. Wardrobe pose. Both hands facing towards to you. Okay. And then now the step 2, left leg, big step, just back, and then with your toes on the ground. And then now both hands pushing downwards. And then now shift your weight to both legs. And now become lunge and back leg straight, front leg bent. Then now grab someone. And then from here, you want to grab this person, for example, like on the ground. So half circle from a lunge and shift your weight to the back leg. So that's step 2, grasp, I call stroke. Shift the weight from the front leg to the back leg. And then from here, you can see me. So from here, there will be your left hand, and then from here. So left hand half circle, a full circle from behind, and then to meet your right wrist, and then push forwards. So there will be the step 3. So from here, and press, and then we back to lunge pose. And then from here, so now right hand comes, so it's still like cross each other with your wrist facing each other. Right hand facing outwards, turn, and then both hands open. And we're about to press down, and then your left leg come up. Yeah, and then we press down. So that's that 4 push. Right. So if I'm doing in the same ways as you, it'll be left hand on top. Yeah, maybe I stand here so you can see me. So right leg half step forwards, and right hand comes on top, and left hand down, and now both hands facing towards to you. And then now left leg big step, and both hands on your right side, grab. And then from here, shift your weight to the back leg and stroke. And then now left hand, a circle to meet the right hand, and then press. Step 3, now right hand facing the sky and turn, then open. Left leg half step comes up, push. Okay, do it all together. Right leg up, ward off, and stroke, then press, push. Yeah, and I'm mirroring you. Okay, so right leg, ward off, left leg a big step, stroke, and press, and push. Okay, I do it in the front one more time. Yeah, I'm still mirroring you. Ward off, grasp, push.